How to make digital agency website on Wix. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So feel free to create an account on Wix.com. And next you just need to click this blue button, create new site. You can bring your ideas to life with AI, but in this video we don't really need this, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need a digital agency. Here you can choose, for example, digital design agency, digital marketing agency, digital consulting firm. So here you need to choose whatever you need, just by your purposes for your website. For example, let's choose this one, digital marketing agency. Here you need to create a name for website. So basically type a name of your digital agency here. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. Also here you need to add your business address. I'm gonna skip this step because I don't really have any agency. And the same with this step. Set your default working hours. You should complete this by yourself. Here you can add the services for your website. For example, you can add one-on-one brand consulting session, intake and assessment, one-on-one strategy session, the brand framework, and so on. Also, you can create new service here. And you can add staff members here. What else do you want to do with your business? Here you can add useful tools for your website. For example, offer virtual sessions, accept online payments, manage your services and the bookings on the go. So here just choose whatever you want. And now we can continue to dashboard. Now we are back to our dashboard and we can see that we still have 6 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. You just need to connect the custom domain, just choose the domain you want and click this button. Add your first service, set your working hours, set your payment methods. You should complete this by yourself. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website, the most important one. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website, either pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com can offer plenty of templates. All of them are really nice. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you and for your purposes. To be honest, all of them are really nice, as I already said. I'm gonna choose this one just for an example, and also this is the best match. Here you can see marketing agency, that's what we need. Next step, click edit, and now we will be redirected to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, C Sharp, maybe Java. You just need to use a website to create another website. I think this is the best about Wix.com, that's why I highly recommend you to try this website. Now we need to wait until everything loads. And so everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our website. Of course, you can manage them. You can delete some of these pages by clicking this button. Here you can see delete. For example, works page, delete. You can manage the order. You can hide it from menu, rename, also add new one. And on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and also here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer here. So guys, the main tool how to edit almost everything in this website, you just need to double click on, for example, you want to edit this specific section, intro. You need to double click on this section, or you can click this button, quick edit, double click, and now you can edit this section. For example, change the placement, edit the text by clicking this button, or also you can double click on this text. You can delete this text, you can write whatever you want here, you can change the style, fonts, font size, you can move this button, you can move everything here, change this image, edit this image, change the background obviously. For example, we want to edit this header. You can see this cart icon, it's pretty weird. You need to delete this, or like maybe change the placement. You can see you cannot do this right now because it's pinned to the screen. We need to unpin this by clicking this, and now you can move it. For example, like this. You can manage menu here. You need to obviously change this text, the name of your business, change the vector art, basically your logo here. And for example, you delete this, and now you need to add your logo and your name of business. You need to click this button, add elements, change the choose the text you want to use, for example this one. Just drag it and drop like this, edit, write the name, and also you need to add your logo here, add elements, add image. You can just upload your logo from your computer or import it from your social and Google accounts, but you can add your logo by this button. You can easily create a logo design on this website. Design my logo, here you can see it. Also you can add button here, and you have plenty of variants what you want to add. Also, you can add section, for example, team section here. Easily choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page. For example, this one. Here we can see it. You can manage these images, change them, change everything on like this website, obviously. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend to try to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. And when you are done editing your website, you need to click publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next videos, goodbye.